Hey, it's Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2025 GT3 RS in black. See, it's got carbon ceramics, brakes. Overall, the car is in great condition, albeit I will point out some items. So it does have paint protection film covering the entire front clip of the car. I've noticed, I ran my fingers along the bottom spoiler here. This front lip, relatively clean. Very, very minor pitting that you can kind of see up here. But overall, pretty minor. In the PPF, notice just a couple of items here. As you back away, most of that kind of becomes invisible, but it is there. I want to point that out. The other area, a couple areas back here in the rockers, you can see some little bit of minor pitting there. Pretty common on any 911, especially this one with the super massive tires that it has on it. Bit of wear back in here as well. Not really wear, but just kind of stone chips that come up from this area here. So that is there. Come around to the other side, take a look. As you back away, not as noticeable, but it is there. So I want to point that out. And then on this area here, again, pretty minor, but it is there. So we go inside. See a combination of Race-Tex, leather, yellow deviated stitching, yellow seat belts. Just a really tasteful, nice combination here. Inside, 2,587 miles as it sits. Coming up here, we can see we've got the control for the front axle lift. Of course, it has a PDK, which is the transmission in all the RSs. Any additional questions or details, reach out Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.